I'm super duper excited. GQ is always nice and exciting. It's very different it's very hatke from the other awards. Yeah, let's see who wins the best, whatever the categories everyone's nominated for. Yeah. I'm a huge fan of Vicky Kaushal, be it the work and the personality, so yeah.
And among the actresses?
My all-time favorite would be Deepika Padukone if she's there then yeah. Thank you.
Hi. I'm very good, and I'm quite excited because I've not quite attended an event for a while because I've been shooting every day, and so I'm very excited actually to meet some friends and have some fun. No, I think the man of the year for me has to be Ayushmann. I think he's been consistently doing some incredible work and also making some great choices. And I had the fortune of collaborating with him on Article 15, and that was loved by all. So yeah, more power to him. I mean, it's nice. Also, I think the film was very special. It was made at a time where it's extremely relevant and important that we keep talking about it, and it becomes part of the mainstream narrative and discourse. So yeah, we are all very proud of the film, and there are only once in a while a film comes which you really want to support, and you wish and hope that people love, and it reaches everyone, which has happened. And yeah, I think this year has been quite fun because FOMO Shots also had a great response in Article 15. Then I had another release called Poshampa. So I think yeah, it's been a good year so far. Let's hope it stays like that. Inshallah, yeah. So I have my next release is a film called Akhune. It's basically a comedy. It's a satire about a bunch of northeastern kids set in Delhi, which is very fun. We have the world premiere next week in London. And then we're going to see it in Mami also. So that's the next thing that comes. I think November Inside Edge Season 2 is coming out that I'm really excited about because it looks fabulous. So fingers crossed, hope everyone likes it. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Thank you.
Yeah. How are you, brother? How's it going?
So how excited are you? What are you looking forward to?
Yeah, GQ has been one of the prestigious award shows over the years, and yeah, looking forward that who all are going to win tonight.
Right. And it's Man of the Year award. So who was the Man of the Year?
Do you think anyone else apart from my brother deserves this award this year? Because I think he has had quite a run, I think he has worked really hard over the years to be in this space where I can't be more polite about it. He's the only actor in the country who's had 6 or 7 back-to-back hits, and touch wood, most of them doing good at the box office as well. So critically acclaimed films, box office, hit films. He has all of them under his kitty, and I hope that he's getting an award tonight. Yeah. Cheers. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Let us finish. पीछे से निकल जाएंगे, है ना? Let's go.
Hi. the bites? No.
Looking forward to another GQ event. I think this is the third GQ event for me for the year, and I look forward to these events. And I'm going to be watching some men getting celebrated today, and I want to cheer for them. I'm going to be there for my bros.
Who was the man of the year according to you?
Who's the man of the year? K. Sivan,
Sorry?
ISRO chief.
Oh, yeah. Vijay, this is one thing, Jalli Ball has gone to Oscars, India's official entry.
Yeah.
How, obviously you're very happy, but did you expect this, when you
No,
were
man.
working on the film,
It-
and how happy were you when you learned the news?
When we were working on the film, we had no idea that this film can be India's official entry to the Oscars. It's like an entire country coming together and saying this is the film that can go as a contender to win a nomination. But when the news broke, it was pretty much like manic. Manic phone calls were made. What? Like Zoya said, my phone is burning right now. And I said, yeah, it should.
And you're working with her again.
I did something with her again, yeah. We did one segment of the ghost story that she directed. Thank you guys. Look forward. Thank you so much.
Good evening. Yeah, first time. It's my first time. Oof, that's a tough one. I think a lot of people have been doing well. One person who's done remarkably well is Ayushmann Khurrana. Obviously, I think last year was his year, and I feel that he should be GQ Man of the Year. जी जी पिछले साल आई थिंक इतना कुछ था, ट्रैवलिंग था, तो अब मैं जितना टाइम हो सके अपने ऊपर और अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बिताने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू गाइस हैव नॉट बीन सीइंग मच ऑफ मी. तैयार है मुझे भी अभी पता चल रहा है. मुझे एक्चुअली तैयार है ये मुझे अभी पता चल रहा है. इट्स न्यूज़ टू मी, बट I think I'll just wait for the announcement. I can't really say much about it. Everything is working out in life with God's grace, and I think now finally क्योंकि मेरा मिस वर्ल्ड का ईयर ख़त्म हो चुका है, तो मैं आगे देख पा रही हूँ कि मैं किस दिशा में जाना चाहती हूँ और मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ ज़िंदगी में. I hope it's a film with Yash Raj. They're the biggest production house, so I hope it's them. Fingers crossed. Thank you. Yes, yes, आप भी मिलते रहिए. Thank you. Thank you.
They just make me laugh all the time. And I'm like, yeah, listen, I want to be sexy kitchen. And they're like, no, 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 make you laugh. No. It's supposed to be sexy kitchen today. I think I'm trying to channel the sexy guy myself. Killing it, girl. Killing it. Hi, guys. What's up? Do you want me to say something? Or how excited? I'm always excited about GQ Awards, especially to know who's the eligible and not so eligible man out there. It's always interesting to know, you know, what cards you've been dealt with, and this is a good night. So here's the thing, right? I'm super partial, but I always think it's Ranveer Singh. But I think in the recent times, it's Mr. Bachchan. You know, he's been conferred with the highest award for performance, and that's nothing but more glory, more power. Yeah, so that's that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wish you the same.
Done? हाँ जी. अरे अरे. Good evening. Yeah. For my men in life, I think honesty is one thing that I really believe in, and just being real, being honest, being sensitive are few qualities that I really look for. That is so sweet of you. That is so sweet of you. Thank you. I just want to go inside and have a blast, to be very honest. Really looking forward to the night and really excited. To be very honest, it's all my stylists, so they take the calls. If it were up to me, I would come to the events in pajamas. I'm that kind of girl.
But of course, I like dressing up for events. So, but these are just my stylists, nothing else. Thank you so much.
I am quite excited. I think GQ has some of the most happening events, and they're really usually very witty, and they're moderated with like great fun. So I think I'm quite excited. Yeah. Thank you very much.
क्या अच्छा केमिकल्स भी बता दो केमिस्ट्री डाल देते हैं What's up, man? Super. How are you?
How excited are you for today's evening? Whatever
Very excited. Yeah, really excited. Been looking forward to this. Been shooting back to back for a long time now. Excited to meet everyone. Excited to see how dapper everyone is. It's gonna be exciting. Fun. बिल्कुल क्या प्रेप कर रहा हूँ यार निकम्मा है फुल मसाला फिल्म है नाम से ही पता चल जाता है आपको सो it's very different from Mud. It's got so much of Bollywood in it. गाने हैं, डांस है, लव है, फाइट है, कॉमेडी है. It's something else. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Yeah. I want to break every box that you can put me in. So look forward to that. I will do the best I can to be better than I was yesterday. Sorry, can you repeat that, please? Huh. Yeah, I've done only one film now, and I've not made a bond over 3 films with any filmmaker, whether it's a producer or a director. But yeah, the kind of bond that I have with Vasan sir, I can't wait to get back on the set with him. So he still remains my top 3 directors to ever work with in my life. Does it hamper me? No, I've learned so much from him. And I can only use that when I go on to set with any other director and try and whatever I've learned, add that and then add whatever the other director producer is giving it to me. And I think Sabir sir is really enjoying the momentum that I already come with. And he's added so much to me, and I'm really grateful to be on the set and learn so much about masala cinema from one of the really good makers in nowadays, you know. हाँ, बिल्कुल. You got to be louder, please. पसंद है, हाँ, बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल नहीं यार. You wake up fresh every single day and just give the best that you can give. As long as you're giving your 100%, you can sleep well at night. And at the end of the day, that's what everything is about. So it's not about the pressure what other people put on you. It's about the pressure that you want to put on yourself. And as long as you're giving 100% and just believing in yourself and honestly doing the work that you do. Exactly. आप मुझे बॉक्स में डालो और मैं बॉक्स तोड़ दूंगा हर फिल्म के साथ. मैं प्रॉमिस यू दैट. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. वेट. भाई अब यू फील कर रहे हो यार. प्लीज.
My turn? Hi. Thank you भाई. आपने देखी? Thank you so much यार. Thank you. या आज ही है. यार I'm very excited. I think मेरा first time है GK Awards में और I'm very excited. Looking forward. हमेशा magazines देखी हैं, हर जगह देखा है. You know social site पे. Yeah, first time I'm attending, so it's a big thing for me. So thank you. हाँ, आप जाने नहीं दोगे उधर से? हाँ, इनको हो जाओ ना डांटेंगे. फोटो बॉम्ब नहीं कर सकता.
Thank you so much. Just let us know what was it. Thank you so much.
कैसे हो? बहुत दिन हो गए. 48 आवर्स. नहीं, GQ मैं पिछले साल भी आई थी और पिछले से पिछले साल भी आती है. GQ मैं कभी मिस नहीं करती. Man of my life. I have many criteria actually for man of my life. One of them being humor, and the second of it would be amazing if he's GQ Man of the Year. No, अब तक तो मुझे नहीं दिखा. I am neither taken nor mistaken. I've been styled by Sanam Ratansi and I'm wearing Demi by Gabriella. It's black and I think that's perfect for GQ. अभी अगले साल मेरी फिल्म आएगी चेहरे, उसकी अभी थोड़ी सी शूटिंग बाकी है और इसके बाद एक बहुत अच्छा अनाउंसमेंट है जो मैं बहुत जल्द आपको बताऊंगी. I'll call you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I can't hear you. देखिए बहुत अच्छी शाम है. GQ has always been a great place and a great stage for emerging new talent. And I feel if you ask me, my personal best is Ayushmann Khurrana this year for sure.
Angan, also you're doing this amazing role in Picture Saxena biopic, which is Jambi.
Yeah.
Tell something about it. What's the film like? What's the role like?
It's a beautiful story, very emotional. There's nothing heroic in it. It's about a small town family in Lucknow, and how there's a girl who wants to fly. She wants to discover herself, and then there's a protective brother who's trying to be extremely protective. He loves her, but sometimes his theories can come in her way of progress. And then there's a supporting father for the two kids in Pankaj Tripathi. So yeah. Hi, how are you?
It's a protagonist is the female of the film. So how is it to be like, we don't see actors, associating that much with films that have females in the lead. But how
Time has changed. It's the time of the woman. You have to understand that.
along with Jambi, and it's such a small role, even if it is an important role.
No, it's for me it's a full-fledged role. It's my first solo feature, in fact, and Dharma is really backing me on that front. I'm extremely grateful to Karan Johar and Apurva Mehta, and to Sharan Sharma, who's our director. It's his first film. But I feel that it is the time of the woman,
And if you see, not just in our field of entertainment, but also in sport, there's a Sindhu, there's a there's Sania Mirza, now Duti Chand. So there are great names coming up, and I feel that we should all come together and support them. No worries. All right, thank you.
Hello.
You're looking great.
Thank you.
How excited are you for the
Always, yeah. GQ is such a fantastic place to be there. It's extraordinary style, and it's always wonderful, yeah. When you're vouching for the man of the year.
Who was the man of the year according to you?
Very easy. It's simple. It's Ranveer for me, hands down. Thanks, Amit. Two, generally. It's transparency and honesty, and number one. And not trying too hard at number two. And being a feminist at number three. And yeah, I think that wounds it up for me completely. Yeah.
Is it the right time, do you think you can write something about your memoirs or experiences which you have?
Yes, absolutely. You're talking about my experiences in my journey, and where I was and where I've come today. I think for me it'll most importantly be about where I was and where I've come as a person, as a human being first, and how much I've progressed there. And how much I've evolved there. Because if I haven't done that, I don't have anything to write. Build up. Sure. Haan, boli.
You shared some experiences also.
Yes.
Which probably we were not aware.
Yes.
What made you to come out and say, and probably can this be a part of the things which experience you can share?
Absolutely. The reason I came out now was because when the whole fiasco was happening, I was pregnant. And you know how they say that you need to be having great energy, the best energy around you, in your mind space, in your thoughts. And I don't think it was the right time then for me. I wish I could, but I also am happy that I could do it now. I didn't want to then involve myself in a scenario like this and have negativity around me of any sort. I was in a happy place, and I just found this to be the right time to share it. I always wanted to share it. I'm not somebody, Sumit, you know, I don't run away from sharing personal experiences. And if I can encourage other women, to stand their ground, to learn the meaning of no and have the courage to say it, come what may, no matter what. I'd be more than happy to be a part of their journeys by maybe encouraging them a wee bit. So, yeah.
Congrats on Sacred Games series.
Thank you.
Your performance was very well appreciated.
Thank you.
How happy were you with the kind of response that the season 2 got as compared to season 1?
So honestly, I didn't make any comparisons because season 1 was a season 1, and season 2 was obviously going back and forth like season 1, and in a way it was a prelude to a lot of stories, a lot of tracks, a lot of plots, a lot of lives that were not touched upon or explored in season 1. So I would say every character holds their ground in season 2. They've given a whole new sort of a turn to to the plot with season 2 and to the book from the original. And I think it's found its own niche audiences. I don't think in the minds of the makers the attempt was to please all, because you could never do that. And the comparison obviously between a first in a franchise and a second is always going to be there. The first, if it does well, comes as a surprise, and it was a surprise to our Indian audiences that something like that could actually be created in our very own country by our own makers originally. So the comparison I understand is very, very natural. But it's best not to compare and look at season 2 not in comparison, but as a whole story in itself. And for that, I think we did fabulously well. Thank you.
People were left unhappy or I would say confused with the way season 2 ended.
Sure.
Is that going to be season 3?
I have no idea. You'd have to ask the makers that. I don't know. I mean, being a part of the cast myself, I have very, very little information on that. But I'm sure when the makers are ready to announce whether there is one or isn't one, you'll know. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Uh-huh. I don't know, yeah. It feels good, feels validated, and getting lots of love from people. Thanks to the great directors and scriptwriters I've worked with. So yeah.
And you're having a great run at the box office. Dream Girl भी बहुत बड़ी hit रही है. What's your mindset like these days? You must be very happy.
Yeah, very happy of course because Dreamgirl has got lot of love, not just from multiplex but also for single screens.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Dreamgirl and she's here. And yeah, now I'm shooting on Shubh Mangal Saavdhan in Banaras. I just came here for a day and I have an early morning shoot tomorrow. I have to just run as soon as possible. इसके बाद हम एकता कपूर के घर जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे सेलिब्रेट करने. So yeah, it's like a double whammy today. Inside, good-looking men and women and talented men and women. What else? GQ is full of spunk and talent. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. ये अच्छा प्रेशर है, लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, अच्छी बात है. और आई एम ऑल्सो फॉर्चुनेट कि मुझे अच्छा कंटेंट मिल रहा है, अच्छे स्क्रिप्ट्स मिल रहे हैं. सो आई एम फॉर्चुनेट लाइक दैट. मैं कुछ अलग भी करना चाहता हूँ, मतलब एक एक्शन या फिर थ्रिलर करना चाहता हूँ. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. या तायरा,
Are you satisfied with the way career of Ayushmann has shaped up since the start? You have known him since the starting.
I am very, very satisfied how it's going. But he can do better as a husband. He can spend more time with me and the kids. But nonetheless, he's doing a fantastic job and I'm really proud of him.
Your father has been into astrology.
Yeah.
Whether he predicted that the things will turn out this
ये वो कुछ बताते नहीं है मुझे, पर हाँ सही टाइम पे बता देते हैं। जैसे मैं फाइनल एग्ज़ाम्स के बाद, कॉलेज के बाद मैं बॉम्बे कब गया था, उन्होंने मुझे धक्के मार के निकाला था। सो मे बी द टाइमिंग वॉज राइट, बीइंग एट द राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम, दैट वर्कड फॉर मी, मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ माई फादर, आई डोंट नो, ही चेंज्ड माई स्पेलिंग्स व्हेन आई वाज अ किड, सो या। हाँ, not in near future because I'm so busy with acting, so it'll happen whenever, I don't know. Thank you. जाऊंगा नवंबर में जा रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
बहुत खुश हूँ, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर। हमेशा जब भी अवार्ड सीजन शुरू होता है तो इट्स ऑलवेज वंडरफुल व्हेन यू हैव समथिंग नाइस बिहाइंड यू, सो इट्स नाइस टू नो दैट पीपल थिंक दैट कबीर सिंह वाज अ वेरी रेलेवेंट फिल्म। और बहुत खुशी है कि आज GQ की पार्टी पे, अवार्ड पे मैं आया हूँ, एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द नाइट। बड़े सारे लोग हैं यार. I think Ayushmann and Vicky both have done such wonderful work and they've just won the national award. So many congratulations to them. And you know, सबसे अच्छी बात ये है that there are a lot of really nice films coming up. और बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. So it's great to be a part of a culture जहाँ पे everybody is surprising each other and everybody is looking forward to see what the other person is doing. Hi. See, if I believe in backing content, if I feel there's something that I should back and do, I'll definitely look at that. Yes. जी. जी. ज़रूर बने. आई होप कि कुछ न्यू कमर्स के साथ बने, जैसे हम लोगों को मौका मिला था, कुछ नए लोगों को मौका मिले. डेफिनेटली.
आपके भ्राताश्री मतलब आपके ईशान के लिए वो काफ़ी थी कि ईशान उसमें काम करे और अभी सारा आई थी वो भी उसमें जुड़े हैं. आपको ये
वो तो ईशान और सारा और बाकी जितने भी लोग हैं जो आपको लगता है कि उस फिल्म के लिए सही है, वो तो उनकी चॉइस पे डिपेंड करता है. उनको स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगती है, नहीं लगती है, वो ऐसी फिल्म करना चाहते हैं, नहीं करना चाहते हैं. बट डेफिनेटली शुड हैव अ रियली यंग कास्ट. इट शुड बी फुल ऑफ सम ऑफ द एक्सुबरेंट टैलेंट दैट वी हैव.
बट एक चीज़ हमारे चाहने से तो ये तो उनके मन में कि स्क्रिप्ट चूज करें या नहीं. एक हमारी जो चाह है कि आप और अमृता उसमें एक विशेष एक्सपीरियंस करें तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा.
सर आप ही बना लो, आपके पास पूरा आपने पका के रखा हुआ है.
नहीं सर, फिर भी लाइक ऐसी लोगों की दर्शकों की ऐसी इच्छा है. मतलब काफ़ी अच्छी वो फिल्म थी जो सभी दर्शकों ने पसंद की.
जी.
आपके मन में भी विशेष स्थान होगा उस फिल्म का.
ऑफ कोर्स मेरी पहली फिल्म थी, तो पहली फिल्म करने का मौका मिला, वो अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. तो ऑफ कोर्स
आज यहाँ पहुँच गए हैं आप. वो दिन याद आते हैं स्टार्टिंग के और मतलब
वो दिन कभी भूलते नहीं हैं. एक्चुअली एक्टर बनने से पहले आपकी लाइफ कैसी होती है वो दिन कभी नहीं भूलते और कभी भूलने भी नहीं चाहिए. अगर भूल गए तो दैट मीन्स यू फॉरगॉटन योर रूट्स एंड यू फॉरगॉटन आपने कहाँ से शुरुआत की थी. एवरीबडी स्टार्ट समवेयर, यू नो, एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर वेयर यू स्टार्टेड बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट कीप्स यू ग्राउंडेड.
Next project, there's no information about your next project. Are you like taking some time to pick a project because you want it to be as good as your last film? Something you can say.
I don't know. When it's clear, I'll let you know.
फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स का एक किरदार करने वाले का बायोपिक.
मैं फुटबॉल हैं? अरे पहले क्लियर तो हो जाओ, मैं कौन सी फिल्म करने वाला था. यार जैसे ही मैं क्लियर होऊंगा कि मुझे क्या करना है, मैं ज़रूर बात करूंगा उसके बारे में. ये भी मैं 10 बार डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ.
शुक्रिया. पता नहीं यार, दिस इज़ रिलीज़ के बाद करते हैं बात. राइट नाउ द बज़ इज़ गुड, एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर हाई. अब देखेंगे, लेट्स सी. इफ द फिल्म इज़ गुड इट विल वर्क, इफ नॉट. बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. आई थिंक I will miss working with him. It's been an incredible experience.
It's Man of the Year award today. Who according to you was the Man of the Year? If you have to ask.
Well, if you ask me, I don't really think there's any. We are in a creative field, and I don't think there's any best in this creative field. But there are many who deserve to be men of the year. There are many, and we should be proud that we have so many of us who are doing well.
आज यहाँ पे पहुँच के what's the difference in how you feel about being here, the stage which you have reached?
I feel good. I feel very, very good. I feel blessed. I feel like there is magic in the world. If you work hard and you believe and you have a little beliefs which are a little naive also, like the fact that I believe there's magic in the world. If you believe, things will happen. So it happened with me. So it's good.
चलो करते ट्राई. Good evening, good evening. How sweet, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Honestly, it was GQ Men of the Year. I know that I wanted to wear something a little crisp, but I'm very proud of the fact that I'm a woman and I just wanted it to have that perfect balance. So yeah, we tried something new. I hope everyone likes it. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You know, there are a lot of people who I feel deserve the award, but for me, consistency is key. एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो I feel everyone's worked for a very long time. हमें किसी की back story नहीं पता, but for every man who hasn't given up, he's allowed to be GQ Man of the Year, according to me. Because giving up is very easy, but ये वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने मेहनत हर Friday करी है और अपने हर हिस्से में करी है, चाहे वो अपना फिजिक था, चाहे वो अपनी एक्टिंग थी, चाहे it is being at the right place at the right time. I think they've all worked so hard every single actor in our industry deserves the award because trust me, this is a very difficult place to survive in, and they've all survived. Four. 2 को बहुत ज़माना हो गया. जी. I am very excited that I'm a part of Houseful. It's a movie, it's a franchise, it's a comedy franchise. अरे यार ना ये ना बहुत disorienting हो जाता है. But I'll try. I personally feel that it's one of those. अरे नहीं बैठिए. Involvement क्या? नहीं, it's fine really. But Houseful 4, firstly, thank you for receiving the trailer so well. I think इन्होंने पहली बार तो कुछ हटके ट्राई करा है. हमने कहा it shouldn't be a typical comedy film. The whole idea is we promised, हमने जब से movie announce करी है, we promised that there will be reincarnation and there'll be so much that in the movie. And I think people are not disappointed with the trailer क्योंकि उन्होंने जो expect किया था from a Houseful, I feel we've surpassed that as well. पर जो लोगों को हमने promises करे थे कि आप एक ऐसी movie देखेंगे which is going to be great in terms of a visual experience, I think from the trailer itself सबको idea हो गया कि हाँ ठीक है, इन्होंने promise जो किया था वो तो कर ही रहे हैं. But apart from that, of course, it's Akshay sir, Ritesh sir, there is Bob, Kriti, Pooja, myself, all of us. I think we're very excited and we're very thrilled. जिस तरह का reception हमें मिला कल trailer launch पे, I was really thrilled about it. I love our look in the film. And I think people are really going to enjoy watching this movie. It is genuinely one of the funniest films ever in terms of the Houseful franchise. I think it's going to be very, very impactful. But at the same time, there's a lot of drama in this movie also. I think that's what we're going to enjoy. जो dramatic side है ना, जो dialogues हैं, जो punches हैं, those are things people will really enjoy in this film. Thank you. Thanks so much. हाँ जी sir, बोलिए आप.
really seems to be ecstatic with this film. मतलब कई चीजें जो आपकी उभर के आती है ना लिए वो आपकी मतलब अभिव्यक्ति हो जाती है. ये कुछ उन फिल्मों में से है जो आप इसको लेकर काफी उत्साहित हैं.
Of course, Houseful एक ऐसी franchise है sir. जब पहली movie आई थी तब मुझे पता भी नहीं था that this is what I want to do and or I'm going to be an actress. So for me it's a very big deal. मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि कभी लाइफ में हाउसफुल का हिस्सा बनूंगी. It's a movie I have ardently gone and watched in a theatre and this is something I'm very proud of because I go to the theatre for very few movies and a lot of times I don't go for my own because I have this issue with claustrophobia. So even in a premiere show of my film you'll always see me standing near the exit and watching because I'm very scared of the dark. No one knows this about me. I can't watch movies. I find it very difficult. I have to keep going outside to breathe. Well, Houseful is one of those movies that I've gone and watched in a theatre, enjoyed and never wanted to leave. So yeah, it's a proud moment for me. More than me, I think it's for my parents. They say it very proudly कि हमारी बेटी Houseful की, she's one of the heroines in the film. जी 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 जी
चुनाव करने वक्त आप इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखते हैं कि मतलब कितना बड़ा या कितना छोटा है?
नहीं, not really.
सफलता आपके प्रभावित करती है?
नहीं, of course प्रभावित तो करती है. आपको बुरा लगेगा, अच्छा लगेगा. कई बार जब आपकी मूवी हिट होती है it automatically opens a lot of doors for you. But I know that Houseful happened to me because of शादी में ज़रूर आना. क्योंकि जब शादी में ज़रूर आना रिलीज़ हुई थी तब से बात चल रही थी to go ahead and do a Houseful. And I didn't think it would happen. It happened very suddenly. But I still remember it was my birthday, 10 days before Shaadi Mein Zaroor Aana released, and a lot of people from the industry had already seen the film. So I remember on that particular day, a lot of people, and there was one person who walked up to me and said, "You never know, Houseful 4 भी शायद हो जाए. आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं." And I said, हाँ ठीक है. I brushed it off. 6 months later, I had signed the film. तो हाँ, impact तो रहता है. But I think at the end of the day, there are a lot of people who are willing to go out there and give you a chance. Irrespective of what you've done in the past. तो हाँ. Well, फिलहाल तो बस Houseful की promotion में busy हैं. पागलपंती का dubbing शुरू हो गया है. I'm gonna have 2 releases in a span of 1 month. So I am very, very nervous at this point. Yeah. I hope so. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye, guys. Thank you.
Hello? Questions? No, no? You don't have. What? Good evening. Apprehensive? Wait, why are you apprehensive? Yeah. They got good style. Me? I don't have a clue. Anybody? In my terms? I really don't know. Thanks, guys.
क्या करें, we all love you ना. जब तक आप शीशा लेदर नहीं करोगी हमारी कैमरे पे तो कैसे शाम बनेगी? Camera, don't roll it. What's up, guys? Hello, कैसे हैं आप? Yes, I've been to GQ before, but it's always fun to come back to GQ. It's, I think, one of the coolest publications and magazines going around. जी बिल्कुल, आज ये मेरा थोड़ा खास सा एफर्ट है फैशन की दुनिया में. मुझे फैशन के बारे में ज़्यादा पता नहीं, लेकिन मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था कि फ़ैशन इंडस्ट्री जो है वो दुनिया में सबसे बड़े पोल्यूटेंट्स में से एक है. और अब चूँकि क्लाइमेट चेंज और क्लाइमेट क्राइसिस और प्रदूषण की इतनी बात हो रही है, मुझे लगा कि हम सबको अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में एक छोटा सा एफर्ट करना चाहिए कि हम कम प्रदूषण फैलाएं और कंजर्वेशन थोड़ा ज़्यादा करें. तो आज मैंने और मेरी स्टाइलिस्ट दिव्या सैनी ने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग आइडिया किया. मेरी नानी, गुजरी हुई नानी, लेट एंड वेरी बिलव्ड ग्रैंड मदर, उनकी ये साड़ी है जिसको मैंने पैंट सूट बना दिया है एज एन अटेम्प्ट एट रिसाइकलिंग, एट अपसाइकलिंग ओल्ड क्लोथ्स एंड जस्ट पुट अ मैसेज आउट देयर कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम अपने सारे पुराने कपड़े फेंकते रहें और नए चीज़ें खरीदते रहें, वो सारा कंजम्पशन और वो सब. You can be imaginative and you can do really interesting and cool things, innovative things with your old clothes that can also make an impact towards conservation and conserving our planet. नहीं, कुछ संदेश बहुत गहरे भी नहीं होते, लेकिन आप लोगों ने ज़्यादा गहरा बना देते हो अपने हेडलाइन दे दे के, तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. आधा मेरा काम आप ही कर लेते हैं. थैंक यू. दिस इज़ या डेफिनेटली. आई थिंक हम, जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी चीज़ें करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर हम सब अपने ही जीवन में थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियस हो जाएं तो आई थिंक दैट वी कैन ऑल बी मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन्स ऑफ द प्लानट. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. Now what? Okay.
She'll not give bye. Stand.
नहीं, आई थिंक द इवनिंग इज़ ऑलवेज dazzling is spectacular. मैं पूरा श्रेय देना चाहूँगा श्रेय साहब को कि श्रेय कुरियन मेरे बहुत ही करीबी एक मित्र भी हैं, मगर जिस किस्म से और किस पैमाने पे ये हमेशा एक इवेंट करते हैं, मैं खुद भी चकाचौंध रह जाता हूँ इनके इस ग्लैमर एंड ग्लिटर आर्ट इवेंट से। इस साल के आई थिंक बहुत सारे जो हैं हकदार हैं इस अवार्ड के। मैं ज़्यादातर आई थिंक बट मेरे लिए ख़ास तौर पे शायद आयुष्मान रहेगा, क्योंकि आयुष्मान ने लगातार बहुत अच्छी फिल्में की हैं, बहुत ही हटके फिल्में की हैं, तो मेरे लिए और फिर साथ साथ उनका स्टाइल कोशेंट हमेशा देखने को आ रहा है कि बहुत आगे बढ़ रहा है। शाहिद है, बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स हैं जो कि इस अवार्ड के हकदार हैं। हाय, हाउ आर यू ब्रो? जी, I think so, because I think that's a very valid question for you to ask actually. Personally, I think the moment you speak of style or beauty, it's synonymous with female. It's synonymous with women, you know, and automatically they are glorified to that level. Not that, and most of the time I have realized that people generally have this perception that men don't take care of their style quotient or of themselves, or they don't really care, because that's a perception that's been carrying on for I don't know how many hundreds of years, you know. But I think this is a great platform for men to also kind of stand out and have that X factor coming out and saying, okay, no, you know, guys, we do take care of ourselves too. I think, yeah. मेरा मानना है कि अगर इवेंट ऐसा है जहां आपको ड्रेस होके जाना होता है, आप जाइए, क्योंकि वो एक किस्म से आप उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे हैं। अब मैं नहीं मानता हूँ कि अगर रेड कार्पेट का इवेंट है तो मैं चप्पल पहन के आ जाऊँ। आई डोंट डू दैट। आई जनरली डोंट लाइक, आई लाइक ड्रेसिंग अप फॉर द ओकेजन, because automatically it gives respect to those people who've organized the event. So you'll never find me in a pair of slippers unless, God forbid, there is an issue with my foot, or if I've got a ingrowth or something happening. But other than that, I like dressing for the event. जी, जी हाँ, जी हाँ, बहुत 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 एक्साइटेड हूँ, बहुत नर्वस भी हूँ क्योंकि पहली बार एक एक्टर के किरदार से थोड़ा हट के प्रोड्यूसर भी, राइटर भी और एक भाई, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट तो भाई का एक रोल जो है, एक पिता समान रोल जो मैं मेरे छोटे भाई के लिए निभा रहा हूँ, वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि पहली फिल्म नमन की है। कोइंसिडेंटली आज के दिन एग्जैक्टली 12 साल पहले मेरी जॉनी गद्दार फिल्म रिलीज़ हुई थी 28 September. Today, 12 years ago, Johnny Gaddar released. So for me, of course, it's very, very emotional a moment. We wanted to do it on 28th, the trailer launch, but there were too many things. Y'all were very busy, everyone was busy, so the marketing heads decided to push it by 2 days. But it means a lot, and very excited. He's done a fantastic job. I've seen the film, I've seen the trailer. I think that it'll leave a mark. I think it'll definitely create some impression. Each asset that's coming out is pretty interesting. Right. Sorry, I had some. Yeah. Oh, I'm extremely happy. I'll tell you why. Because it's also pushing the envelope. First of all, to make a film that caters to all the languages in India, to have artists across borders all coming together and making one consolidated film. It's the need of the hour. I've been trying to do it for the longest time. I crossed over. I did a film called Kathi. I did Kavacham. So as an actor, you can't have barriers. As filmmakers, we can't have barriers no more. India is a great country, but it's got multiple languages, multiple cinemas. So to get all these, business point of view, if you're talking about cinema, you need entertainment, and we have the same culture. There's no difference in the culture. So I think in that retrospect, the way Sujit has executed the film, it was phenomenal. Technically, I might want to speak that it's one of the finest films as far as technicalities are concerned. There are few nuances that somebody might have felt that, wish the story length was crisper, maybe if the story was slightly more, clear for us to understand. But there were subtle nuances throughout the film, if one watches carefully, that you connect each and everything. He left all the dots to be followed. Some get it, some don't. But I think it's very gutsy to go out there and make a film which is so well executed on a technical level. I think it's a chip on his shoulder for sure, and it's a pat on his back for just giving that to Indian cinema. Thank you. Anji, I'll see you on Monday. Pray for us, yeah, and all support we need. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening. Thank you.
GQ Awards is always a great awards to attend. Everyone's having so much fun. Russell is such a great host, makes everyone laugh, and everyone's just having such a good time. The award that I got tonight was fantastic. I think this year has been a really special year for me with Bharat, and the way the film was received, I think it was absolutely fantastic. And it's always lovely to be here and get a chance to interact with everyone. And Jay and the whole team of GQ are dear friends, and it's great to be here and just kind of be with everyone for the evening. Yeah. You know, I think the best qualities to me that GQ stands for is they celebrate individuality and they celebrate the uniqueness in everyone, and I think that's what's really attractive in a man, is someone who accepts who they are, someone who's not trying to be anyone else or have any pretenses, but someone who is comfortable in their own skin, someone who has integrity, someone who has charm, who has wit, but most important, I think, is that that person is comfortable in their own skin.
Apart from being awarded for your work and everything, everyone which is exemplary and has always been told is that you are hardworking, immensely hardworking. And I may add, like, it's come from Mr. Salman Khan, like he gives example how hardworking you have been, and you have been, person should have ready to work hard like you. These things motivate you, or like what energies it takes to you?
No, I think for me, the way that I approach my work is just from sheer love of my job and sheer love of what I do, and I love the profession that I'm in, and the way that I work, just it comes from my heart. There's no thought behind it. There's no strategy. It's just I want to be where I am. I enjoy being on every film. I enjoy being on every set, and that's really where my life is, and it's all about the work that we create.
और आप सुंदर और सुशील भी हैं।
Thank you so much. Thank you.